Good morning. We are already at it. Pulling the trucks out. Right now we're, of course, no more bathroom. It's gone. He's gone. Water off Bill's truck last night. With coming rain on us, working on this thing. So now we're trying to figure out a couple of wiring issues. We got these lights on a conduit going down the bottom, and so apparently there were some water problems back here. It's all rusted out. The conduit's even rusted out, so we're having to. Some of these lines are gonna be gone, but our main line that we want to keep, our wire, runs these lights up here. We're trying to get it figured out and get it and these right here all on one switch, hopefully in a good spot. So pulling the trucks out so we can get some more light, get some wiggle room. But
fluorescent light there is on.
these here too.
That wire goes up and it comes into that box right there.
Yeah, and it can come out, that light right there, as far as I'm concerned.
And however we do this, we need to go on the switch over there.
Well, if we can get these two connected somewhere over here, then we can, all we'll have to do is
Or a light.
well, we're going to, well, essentially we don't have to do it right now. But like I said, somewhere there's a sack around here. I guess it's maybe right over there. Is a three-way light switches. So I'd like to, have one over here. Once the office is done, have one right here, and then there'll be another back door right here.
Just back my truck back in there, put the outriggers out. Get on the boom and turn the boom around wherever we need.
Well, that power wire right there. If I say, hell, just sit out there and bring the third and the fourth in here and put me on a harness. Just put me up wherever we go. Well, the rain has definitely created another shop day, but hopefully we'll be pumping maybe tomorrow. We got stuff looking at right now. We're rewiring these lights. Foster showed up with the trailer pump. We got the mud cups in. They're putting mud cups in the trailer pump. So we'll give a little shop update. This has got to go somewhere. Some scrap metal left over from the front, doing the front, putting the door in, all that. Got most of the sheetrock gone. I mean, there's a couple of pieces, no big deal. But we're fixing to start tearing all this down. Probably try to reuse a lot of these 2x6s because lumber prices is skyrocketing. So probably going to try to clean the 2x6s up. We'll check the plywood out. I don't think it's hurt. We'll probably try to keep the plywood up there. I'm not concerned about the 2x4s. Bill or Chris will want those. That's no big deal. So yeah, we're it's coming along. It's getting prepped. It's just day to day. But look, I got us something for the shop. A little stress relief right here. I found. And of course, once the trailers and all this stuff's gone, we'll have a little more room. But I'll tell you what, this thing it's kind of fun on this floor. We'll have to pour some concrete out front to get it on. But I'll of course, when my wife sees this, she's gonna go, well, I know why you had to have that shop. You know, something for the guys to kind of have fun and blow some stress off, you know. Whew, I'm kicking the dust up. My allergies are telling me about it. Got those pieces of plywood out. Got these here. I got to get those straightened up. Then we're gonna knock the rest of these out and see what we can do to salvage all these 2x6s. We'll see. Okay, here off goes the 2x6s. Hopefully I can do this safely. Y'all want to try the therapy card out? This is the anger management part. These are supposed to have some plastic pieces on there. The guy's supposed to look for them for me. If he don't, I'm gonna order some, get them custom painted.
Stick that underneath the coffin for the coffin races.
Oh, yeah. I doubt it.
I don't think I can reach pedals. It's like a ride at Six Flags. I ain't tall enough.
Oh yeah.
Pass on backwards to get it serious.
You might need them gloves.
Yeah, if they go around faster, it'll make you dizzy.
Yeah. It needs a little more sprocket.
We'll definitely outrun one of those down there on University in Fort Worth.
Yeah. I think it's still connected. Leave it to be on territory up first right out of the bag. first go around.
It is. It's a little bit too much throttle. It'll stop. Doesn't like going that one direction.
Throw the chain. That's what I said. Leave it to Bill. Break her toy. First right out of the bag.
Yeah, see. Come over. Oh yeah, we'll film this. Somebody lose a finger.
Yeah, that's hot.
Oh, nearly. There we go. Tank. The seat sits offside too.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Maybe that's the trick to it. Just kind of feather the throttle.
It's hard to constantly drive around in a circle.
It is. It made me dizzy.
Picking that front tire up.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You take camera to that seat too. I set my foot down on that.
Yeah.
He's gonna end up in his sister's hutch over there. He's pretty smooth.
Yeah, be careful now. Don't turn this still.
Yeah. Your sister have your ass. How do you explain to your sister you tore her hutch up by hitting it with a Go Kart?
How old?
Behind her, how old? Take that motor off, put on our air compressor. That's got electric start on it. Well, that's another successful day. Sun's starting to come down, so it's time to go to the house. But thank y'all for watching. Hope that was a little entertaining for y'all. It was for us, it was for me. But yeah, that was a good time. I think the guys enjoyed that. I did. It's a little fun, but anyway, we got a busy day tomorrow. We got some more things to do, try to get done over here. So don't forget to stay hydrated, stay safe, and be nice to one another. It's the right thing to do. And we'll holler at you on the next one.